In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms to create tasks in Asana. To get started, you'll want to open the project where you plan to add the form. Once you've got your project open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Customize button. This will reveal a menu of additional options, where we're going to focus on forms. Click on Forms to proceed. Now, you should be seeing an option to add a form. Go ahead and click the Add button. This action will take you directly into the Form Editor window, which is the workspace we'll use to create our form. You'll notice that there are some default input fields pre-populated on this form. To tailor this form to our specific needs, let's start by deleting these existing fields. Once that's done, you're ready to begin building your own questions by clicking on the New Question button. For our first question, we'll want to set it up to prompt users to enter the task name. This is crucial, because it will form the header for any new tasks created through this form. Type in Enter Task Name in the question field. Next, navigate over to the Settings tab, located on the left of the Form Editor window. Within this tab, you'll find an option labeled Select a Field for Task Titles. You'll need to open the drop-down menu and select the question we just created. Enter Task Name. This step links the input from this question to the task title in your Asana project. Now, with the task title set, you have the flexibility to expand your form further. You can add more questions by utilizing the templates available on the left panel of the editor window. Alternatively, you may choose to craft custom questions to gather the specific information you need. Each time you create a new question, consider how it can connect with the columns in your existing project table. To do this, simply click on Fields and check the boxes of any fields you'd like the form to populate automatically when someone fills it out. Once you've completed adding all the necessary fields and questions, make sure you're satisfied with your setup. Then, take a moment to look for any missed details or questions that might enhance clarity and functionality. When everything seems ready to go, click Publish. This will finalize your form and make it available for use. The exciting part comes next, testing your form. Copy the form link provided and try filling it out. Once you submit the form, you should see, like magic, a new task has been added to your project precisely as configured. And just like that, you've maximized your workflow with a customized form that seamlessly integrates tasks into your Asana project. That's all there is to it.